Let's take a look at the Westinghouse ePX3500 electric pressure washer, a powerhouse for deep cleaning with 2,500 max PSI and up to 1.76 GPM water flow. Should you find yourself interested in purchasing this product while watching this video, please refer to the links provided in the description. Now let's get started. This electric pressure washer, priced under $200, offers impressive deep cleaning capabilities with its 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 GPM water flow. It comes with a pro-style steel extendable wand and 5 quick connect nozzles for versatile cleaning options. Designed for convenient storage and portability, it's super compact and lightweight at just 19 pounds. The washer's easy coil nylon braided 25 hose and onboard soap tank make it perfect for tackling dirty decks, driveways, vehicles, and more. As for reasons to buy, the Westinghouse ePX3500 is powerful yet compact and very easy to maneuver. As for concerns, the water flow rate could be a limiting factor for heavy-duty tasks. Overall, it's a specialized solution perfect for home use. In terms of price and quality, this unit stands out against competitors. It's affordable and built to last, making it ideal for homeowners looking for a reliable pressure washer. For more details about the Westinghouse ePX3500 electric pressure washer, including where to buy and updated pricing, be sure to check out the product links in the description. Also, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.